Hey there, sound enthusiasts! Is your soundbar acting up and leaving your favorite tunes or movie dialogue sounding less than stellar? If you're eager to learn how to fix a soundbar, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll walk you through some practical steps to troubleshoot and resolve common soundbar issues so that your audio experience remains top-notch. Step 1. Check the connection. First things first, let's start with basics. Inspect all the cable connections to ensure everything is plugged in correctly. Whether it's an HDMI, optical cable, or standard audio jack, a loose connection can be the culprit behind a malfunctioning soundbar. Gently unplug and then securely reconnect each cable. Additionally, if your soundbar is wireless, make sure it's properly paired with your device. Quick reconnection can often resolve any glitches. Step 2. Power cycle your soundbar. Sometimes all your soundbar needs is a fresh start. Power cycling can resolve temporary bugs. To do this, unplug your soundbar from the power outlet. Wait for about 30 seconds before plugging it back in. Turn it on and check if the issue persists. This simple step can be surprisingly effective in fixing various soundbar problems. Step 3. Update the firmware. Just like your smartphone or computer, your soundbar might also require a software update. Visit the manufacturer's website to see if there's a firmware update available for your model. Update the firmware by following the provided instructions, which often involve downloading the update to a USB drive and installing it on the soundbar. Keeping the software current can improve performance and resolve unexpected. Step 4. Adjust the audio settings. Now let's delve into the audio settings. Access the settings menu of your soundbar using the remote control or mobile app. Ensure the volume is at an appropriate level and check for any peculiar settings that might cause problems, such as surround sound or equalizer settings that don't match your current setup. Sometimes a reset to factory settings can help eliminate any accidentally altered setting. Step 5. Inspect for physical damage. Occasionally, the trouble might be physical damage to the soundbar or its cables. Briefly inspect the soundbar's exterior for any visible damage and check the cables for wear, tear, or damage. If you find any issues, replacing the damaged components might be necessary to restore your soundbar's functionality. Step 6. Consult the manual or customer support. If you're still having trouble as you learn how to fix a soundbar, it might be time to consult the user manual. Sometimes specific models require unique troubleshooting methods. If the manual doesn't help, reach out to customer support. The experts there can offer guidance tailored to your soundbar's make and model. And there you have it. Comprehensive steps on how to fix a soundbar and restore your auditory bliss. Whether it's a simple reconnection or a more involved update, these solutions tackle many of the common issues soundbars face. Remember to handle your equipment with care and prioritize safety while troubleshooting. Implement these steps and you'll be back to enjoying remarkable sound quality in no time. Happy listening.